Okay guys, let's just say that you're attacked, right? He's on you. You have to reach back there, find that finger hole, pull it out, loop around your finger. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video guys, we're going to be talking about a knife that you can buy for $100 or less over at Benchmade. That is what they refer to as a get off me knife. And I absolutely love the design. I love the concept. I really like the designer. But you can buy one over at Benchmade right now for $100. But if you're active duty, a veteran, also a first responder, if you have a GovX link account, you can click on that link on the Benchmade website when you check out. And if you got an account already, they'll give you 15% off. And that's how I got this knife for $85. Plus, the shipping was free, but with tax was $92. So ain't that cool? But I love the design of this knife. I love the concept. The designer is really cool. And they make one in a spear point, dagger, and they also make a larger one. And I'm probably going to be ordering a dagger one and a larger one at that too. So I love it. The larger one is only $125. But we're fitting to get over here and look at this knife. And guys, I absolutely love it. And I really do. So we're fitting to get over here and we're going to look at the knife. And I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, here is the Benchmade knife that I bought. And it's the Mini SOP. SOP stands for Special Operations Combative Program, developed by Mr. Greg Thompson. We'll be going over Mr. Greg Thompson here in a moment. But first I'm going to show you this knife here. But look at this thing right here. This is the Mini SOP. They make a larger one of this, and this is the model 177, and that is a spear point right here. They also make one with a dagger, and that's model 173. But this is Cerakote coating, OD green, of course. I love OD green, but it's, again, the designer is Greg Thompson, and it's, again, that's the SOCP. That's the logo of the SOCP SOP program. But it's 440C stainless steel. And that steel, guys, is 440C stainless steel is a high carbon, corrosion resistant, and durable alloy. Historically considered a premier choice for and still very popular in cutlery. It offers excellent edge retention and is relatively easy to sharpen, making it well suited for hunting, pocket, and kitchen knives. Key details about 440C for knives. Performance: it offers a great balance of hardness, corrosion resistance, and wear resistance. Hardness, I'll let you read that, with 0.95% to 120% carbon, it achieves high hardness. Maintenance: it is considered easy to sharpen and highly resistant to rust. Usage: ideal for slicing and daily tasks rather than extreme abuse, as it is less tough than modern higher-end steels. Market reputation: while once considered a top-tier steel, it is now seen as a reliable budget to mid-range option. How about that? Anyway, that's probably why it's only $100, but it's still a great knife, and you wouldn't use this all the time, every day. This is a get off me knife, is what it's designed for, and we'll go over that here in a minute. But right now we're going to learn more about Mr. Greg Thompson.
Greg Thompson is the creator of the Special Operations Combatives Program, SOCP, which became the first officially designated combatives program for all U.S. Army Special Operations Forces in 2010. Uniquely qualified, he holds a master's degree in industrial design from North Carolina State University and is a 5th-degree black belt under UFC legend Royce Gracie. Since 1998, Thompson has trained elite units including the Green Berets, Rangers, Navy SEALs, and federal agencies. He is the author of H2H Combatives and holds 6 patents, designing tools specifically for fighting in kit, where operators must transition from hand-to-hand combat to firearms. Benchmade Mini SOCP model variations. The Mini SOCP platform is available in 2 distinct blade profiles, both made from 440C stainless steel. Model 173, Dagger. This features a double-edged blade. It is designed strictly for defensive use and piercing. Model 177, Spearpoint. This features a single-edged blade. This design allows for greater utility in everyday tasks, such as placing a thumb on the spine for control, while retaining the defensive capability of the ring-style handle.
Okay, now guys, we're going to go over some of the specs. The open length is 6.3 inches. The blade length is only 1.66, whereas the dagger blade is 2.22 inches. So it's a little longer blade, and it's a double edge, so I'm probably getting me one of that. That model is a 173. It of course is a fixed blade, and again, mine is a spear point. The handle is 440C stainless steel, just like the blade is. Blade finish is Cerakote. It helps prevent corrosion, and also just scratch resistant as well. The blade color is OD green. Ambidextrous, yes, I mean you can use it left or right hand. The handle color, of course, again is olive drab. Lanyard hole, yes, again the blade is 440C stainless. The weight of the knife is 1.81 ounces, and the molded sheath is it weighs 1.04 ounces, meaning that both the knife and the sheath together is less than 3 ounces, so that'd be 2.85. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Love it, man. Love this thing. Check this out. There it is right here, guys. Again, that comes with that, and you actually screw it in them holes up there. And this is just it's for comfort if you wear it inside your belt, inside the pants or inside the belt line. And it's, again, this is called the J clip. See, it actually will clip on and hang on to anything you put it on. Because when you pull it out, you don't want the whole thing to come out. So it's a great, great design. Again, this is the spear point here, and they make the dagger. So this blade is 1.66 inches or 1.66, and the dagger is 2.2, so it probably comes all the way up to here. So I'll be getting me one of those. Again, this is a model 177. The dagger, the mini dagger, is the model 173. And then they make a larger one too. This overall is 6 inches, where the full size one, I believe, is right at 8 inches long. So it's pretty cool. But great design, guys. It's just made to, let's see, it's made to, like I'm gonna be wearing it inside the belt or on my right, inside my right pocket. You grab it and your finger automatically goes in that loop. You can stab and you can jab with this knife. But this is a great design knife. Again, SOP is Special Operation Combative Program, made by Mr. Greg, or designed or come up with by Mr. Greg Thompson. And you can order this today for $100, guys, over there on Benchmade. And again, if you're a first responder, veteran, or a active duty, you can, if you don't have a GovX account, but right there at the checkout of Benchmade, you hit the GovX link, and it will log you in and give you a code. You come back over there, put the code in, it gives you 15% off, and you can get it for $85. But I'll be ordering the dagger one as well, and I'll be sharing that with you when I get that one in. But I like the mini SOP because the bigger one is really too large to EDC. It's really made to go on your vest or your backpack. Now you could carry it as an EDC if you wanted to, but I think this is the more practical EDC over the large one. So, but I'm gonna be carrying it today. I love it. I really do. Great design. Hoorah. Okay, guys, let's just say that you're attacked, right? He's on you. You have to reach back there, find that finger hole, pull it out, loop around your finger, right? Stab, stab, slice, and you're able to jab too with that finger loop. Okay, and also with this in your hand, you're able to reach up there and grab that firearm, right, once he backs away. Very, very cool design. I love it. Really do. They make a large sock too. Probably gonna be ordering it today. But this is the OD green one. The big one only comes in black, but you can get a black sheath or a sand colored sheath like this one here. But it's a great design. Love it, guys. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I didn't even know they made these, guys. I didn't even know they made them. But that is very, very cool. It's a skeleton frame, meaning no handle scales. And it's just a perfect knife to get somebody off of you with. You know what I mean? It's a perfect EDC. It's light, very strong, and it's very sharp too. But it's made for one thing and one thing only, self-defense. Okay, and I love that. I really do. I love the concept of that. And again, I will be carrying it today. There it is right there. I love that OD green with the sand sheath here. And again, that, when you get it, this is not on the sheath. You actually have to put that on there. And again, that clip is a DLC diamond-like carbon coating there. But again, guys, $100. Can't beat that at all for a great self-defense knife. You can grab, slash, stab, and jab. Love it. I love it. And then you can grab your firearm still holding this thing. So pretty cool. You don't have to do something with your knife like throw it down to grab your firearm if you need your firearm after you use this to get somebody off of you. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.